Welcome back to today's fun news. Today we're traveling straight to the heart of Europe to explore a hidden gem full of castles, cobblestone streets, fairy tale towns, and rich history. Welcome to beautiful Czechia. Often known as the Czech Republic, this country may be small in size, but it is overflowing with charm, culture, and surprises. So let's dive in. Czechia has a fascinating history that stretches back over 1,000 years. Once part of the Kingdom of Bohemia, then the mighty Austro-Hungarian Empire, and later Czechoslovakia, Czechia today stands proud as a modern European nation with deep traditions. The historic city of Prague, often called the City of 100 Spires, holds treasures like Prague Castle, Charles Bridge, and Old Town Square, each telling stories of kings, emperors, and revolutions. Beyond the cities, Czechia is a nature lover's paradise. The Bohemian Switzerland National Park is like stepping into a fantasy world, with sandstone cliffs and natural rock bridges. The Moravian Karst region is famous for its mysterious caves and underground rivers. And if you love mountains, the Krkonoše range offers snowy slopes in winter and lush green trails in summer. Czechia may not touch the sea, but its lakes, rivers, and forests provide endless beauty. Did you know Czechia has more than 2,000 castles and chateaux? That's one of the highest densities in the world. From the fairy tale Hluboká Castle to the medieval fortress Karlsten, these landmarks make you feel like you're walking through a storybook. Gothic cathedrals, Baroque palaces, and Art Nouveau buildings make Czechia an open-air museum for architecture lovers. Czechia is alive with music, art, and traditions. It is the birthplace of world-famous composers like Antonín Dvořák and Bedřich Smetana. The Prague Spring International Music Festival draws artists and audiences from all over the globe. And don't forget the colorful folk festivals in Moravia, where you'll see traditional costumes, dances, and songs that have been passed down for generations. Of course, we cannot forget Czech cuisine. Hearty and flavorful dishes like svačikova, marinated beef with creamy sauce, or gulas, a rich stew, warm both the stomach and the heart. Dumplings are a staple on the Czech table, and sweet treats like trudelník are favorites for visitors. And let's not forget, Czechia is the land of beer. The city of Plzeň gave birth to Pilsner beer, and Czech beer is considered some of the best in the world. While rooted in tradition, Czechia is also forward-looking. Prague is a hub for innovation and design, blending medieval streets with modern art galleries and tech startups. Czech universities attract students from around the world, and the country is known for its scientific contributions and engineering talent. One of the most beautiful parts of Czechia is its people. Friendly, welcoming, and proud of their heritage, Czechs love sharing their traditions, food, and stories with visitors. Whether you're sipping coffee in a cozy cafe, chatting with locals in a Moravian vineyard, or exploring a small mountain village, you'll feel the warmth of Czech hospitality everywhere. So, if you're planning a trip to Czechia, here are must-see highlights. Prague for history and charm. Český Krumlov for a fairy tale town experience. Krkonoše to see the famous Bone Church. Karlovy Vary for spa relaxation. Moravian wine country for vineyards and villages. And the mountains and national parks for outdoor adventures. Beautiful Czechia is a land where history whispers through cobblestone streets, where castles rise above rivers, where music, food, and laughter fill the air. It is a country that captures both the old and the new, and once you visit, it will remain in your heart forever. Thanks for watching today's fun news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting world adventures. Until next time, happy exploring!